Hi, guys. This is Ohio Nursing Home Abuse and Neglect Attorney Will Eadie here with another safety alert about our Ohio Legislature going out of its way to make it safe for medical providers to commit malpractice and injure you in this state. So, as part of this law that was passed, they made changes to a bunch of different places. And one of the things they changed is whether or not you can present evidence of never events. So let's take a step back. What are never events? So there are some things that are so dumb, that are so impossibly stupid that they should never, ever happen in a medical setting if anyone's paying attention, if anyone's even trying to be safe. So cutting off the wrong leg for a scheduled surgery is something that just shouldn't pay for a lot of things. We pay for a lot of healthcare, Medicare, Medicaid, those types of things. We're not paying for this. This is so dumb that you shouldn't get paid for it. Then healthcare providers, insurance providers rather, followed suit, and they would make determinations. They would say, this is such bad care, we're going to refuse to pay you for doing it because it didn't help anybody and it just shouldn't have happened. So what should happen in a case where someone does something that's stupid, or a hospital or nursing home does something that's stupid, besides them not getting paid, is that they should make it right. They should take responsibility and make it right with the person they injured. And guess what? No surprise, plenty of times, especially when defense lawyers and health insurance gets in the mix, malpractice insurance gets in the mix, they don't make it right. And so people are forced to hire lawyers, they're forced to file lawsuits. And it used to be that you could say, look, this thing that they did that they're now saying is okay is so bad, it's so stupid that even Medicare said, we won't pay for stuff like this when you do it. And that is some pretty convincing evidence because guess what? Medicare, look, there's not a lot of things on that list. I mean, it has to be really bad. The Ohio Legislature has passed a law that says you're not allowed to present that evidence anymore, guys. We're tired of the most dangerous hospitals and doctors and nursing homes and their billion-dollar profit-making insurance companies having to make things right when they're sued. And we're tired of juries handing down verdicts based on really persuasive and important evidence. So we're going to make it okay to hide that. We're going to pass a law that says, sorry, jury, you're not allowed to know how bad this event is. You're not allowed to hear about how the insurance company and the government has said, we're never going to pay for something like this. It's that stupid. That's what the Ohio Legislature is busy doing down in Columbus. I don't know if it's because they're getting influenced by an industry that just doesn't want to take responsibility. And look, this isn't most doctors. This isn't most nurses. This isn't most nursing homes. This isn't most hospitals. There's plenty of great doctors and nurses out there, and they are trying to give the best care they can. And they might be willing to make it right if they provide substandard care. This is about protecting the worst of the worst. This is about protecting the most dangerous people from accountability. And that makes all of us less safe. It's really despicable. I'm doing some research right now into exactly who has supported this bill and provide that information so that if you think that it is as outrageous as I do, that we're hiding information about the worst of the worst, about these never events from your peers on a jury, then you can maybe do something about it or just express that, because I get the feeling that they're only hearing one side of the story on this, and they really ought to find out how this affects people. So this is Ohio Nursing Home Abuse and Neglect Attorney Will Eadie signing off, wishing everyone to stay happy and healthy, particularly in a nursing home. Thank you.